Welcome to the Automated Geospatial Watershed Assessment Tool, AGWA, video series. AGWA was developed by the University of Arizona with the USDA ARS Southwest Watershed Research Center and the US EPA. AGWA is available at www.tucson.ars.ag.gov/AGWA. Funding for these videos was provided by the Department of Defense Environmental Security Technology Certification Program, ESTCP. This is the 8th video in this series, Create Post-Fire Land Cover. This video follows the AGWA Mountain Fire tutorial. AGWA Video 2 showed how to install AGWA, how to download the tutorial and GIS data from the AGWA website, and provided some background on the mountain fire. The mountain fire tutorial demonstrates how to use AGWA to evaluate the hydrologic effects of land cover change, in this case from fire, using the burn severity tool and a burn severity map. You'll run AGWA with the Kinneros 2 hydrologic model before and after the mountain fire, and then view the resulting changes to runoff, peak flow, and sediment yield. We're using AGWA version 10.7-3.9.5.2279 with ArcGIS 10.7.1 and the 2019 version of the Introduction to AGWA for Bare Scenarios Mountain Fire tutorial. You can use any version of ArcGIS as long as you download the correct version of AGWA from the AGWA website. To create the post-fire land cover, we'll use the 2006 National Land Cover Dataset, NLCD_MTN-FIRE, that was used for the pre-fire simulation. We'll use the burn severity tool to apply the burn severity map, mountain_final_SBS, to modify the land cover classes based on low, moderate, and high burn severity. AGWA uses this information to change several input parameters in Kinneros 2 for each land cover class: the hill slope roughness coefficient, hydraulic conductivity, and percent cover. The image on the left shows the NLCD land cover used for the pre-fire simulation. Notice the fire perimeter outlined in red and the land cover classes, which are evergreen forest, shrub, scrub, grasslands, herbaceous, and mixed forest. The image on the right shows the burn severity map created by the BEAR team with low, moderate, and high burn severity classes. The Andreas Canyon watershed, the subject of the analysis in this tutorial, is outlined in black. Notice that the upper portions of the watershed have been burned. The burned area emergency response teams, the BEAR teams, create the burn severity map to help identify areas or values at risk, VARS, that may be subject to increased erosion or flooding due to the fire, such as buildings, roads, or other important infrastructure. They can then prioritize these areas for remediation after the fire. There are 3 VARs identified in the Andreas Canyon watershed: a day use area that also has a USGS stream gauge, the US stream gauge at the Forest Service boundary, and the road culvert, which also defines the watershed outlet. These are important locations we'll look at after we've completed the simulations. To create the post-fire land cover, go to AGWA Tools, Other Options, Burn Severity Tool. In the Land Cover Burn Severity Tool form that opens in the Inputs box, select the burn severity map to be used to modify the land cover data, mountain_final_SBS. Select the severity field in the burn severity map from the drop-down menu, Severity. For the land cover raster, select NLCD_MTN-FIRE. This is the pre-fire land cover data. For the change table, select MRLC 2001_severity. This table relates the land cover types for pre and post fire based on burn severity. In the Outputs box, select the Output folder by navigating to your workspace, Tutorial_Mountain Fire. Name the new land cover Post Fire. Click Process to create the new Post Fire land cover map. Now that we have a pre-fire and a post-fire land cover, we can compare them by loading the legend. Right-click on the layer name Post-Fire in the table of contents. Select Properties to open the Layer Properties window. Click the Symbology tab and then click Unique Values in the Show box on the left side. Click the Browse button and navigate to the Agua/Data Files/Renderers folder and select NLCD 2001.lyr. Click Add and then click OK to import this symbology. Click Apply in the Layer Properties form and then click OK to exit the form. Repeat these steps to add the legend to the pre-fire land cover dataset NLCD_Mountain Fire. Now compare the two land cover maps to see the effect of the fire within the mountain fire perimeter. Notice that the legend for the post-fire land cover data includes additional land cover types based on burn severity. We'll use this land cover layer to parameterize Kinross 2 for the post-fire condition. In video number 9, we'll parameterize the Andreas Canyon watershed for post-fire conditions.